The power of connection. Creating a sense of belonging in English. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on greetings and introductions in English. Today, we'll delve into a crucial aspect of communication, creating a sense of belonging. This is not only about introducing others, but also about highlighting connections between people to foster unity and cohesion. Let's jump in. Creating a sense of belonging involves making people feel as if they're part of a group or a larger community. It's about sharing and connecting on mutual interests, experiences, or aspirations. Creating this connection is especially important in the English-speaking world where communities are often defined by shared interests. Understanding why this is important can help us be more effective communicators. Belongingness is a basic human need. We are social beings, and feeling like we are part of a group gives us comfort, boosts our confidence, and opens up more opportunities for engagement. In English conversation, emphasizing commonalities can bridge cultural differences and promote a more inclusive atmosphere. Now, let's dive into some practical techniques. First, find common ground. This could be anything from shared hobbies, mutual friends, or even similar life experiences. For instance, when introducing two people who love football, you might say, "Meet John. Like you, he's also a huge fan of Manchester United." Secondly, use inclusive language. Words such as we, us, and our can instantly make people feel included. For example, we are all learning English together. Lastly, show empathy and active listening. Nodding, maintaining eye contact, and using phrases like, "I understand," or, "That's interesting," help others feel heard and valued. As with any language skill, practice is key. Try these techniques in your next English conversation and notice the difference. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about creating connections and promoting a sense of belonging. That wraps up our discussion on creating a sense of belonging in English conversation. It's a subtle skill, but it can have a tremendous impact on your communication. Remember, we're all in this together, learning and growing one step at a time. Until next time, keep practicing and happy learning.